In this video, we're going to show you how to install your tailgate hinges on your Dodge Ram located at the base of your tailgate. On the inside of the bed here where the cable comes up to, there's going to be a little retaining clip right here. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver and gently lift up on that. I'm going to lift up on the bed. That's going to give us some cable slack. And slide that up and off. Now before you let go of the tailgate, you want to make sure that you have assistance if the other cable is broken. Otherwise the tailgate will come down, hit the bumper, and you can damage the tailgate itself. Our cable is still good, so we're able to go ahead and release that. Go ahead and remove the strap on the other side. Pop that off. Now I want to tilt the tailgate up at an angle. Should get to a point where you can pull one end out. We have the passenger side out. Slide that out, and then go ahead and just put the tailgate down. Using our T45 Torx bit, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt and this bolt here. Go ahead and take your replacement bracket. Make sure it's positioned the right way. Let's go ahead and tighten this down. I'm going to repeat for the other side. Now, when installing our tailgate, you want to make sure that this bushing right here has this opening right here. That way our tailgate will fit right into this here, and this pivots as we open and close the tailgate. So make sure that that is positioned properly. We're ready to install. When installing our tailgate, you also want to pay attention that the driver's side fits on first. The cup will fit over this here, and then the passenger side will fit down into the notch side. Okay, we have the driver's side slipped on. We have the passenger side cup in. We can now go ahead and install our cable and lower the tailgate. At this point here, you can go ahead and put your latch on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.